episode, we're going to talk about how to set a goal. So goal we are divided in three parts. First one is short term, and the second one is the medium, and the last one is long term goal. And how to set those goals and achieve what you want to achieve for your goal. So now we're going to talk about the short term goal. But the first thing you need to do is you need to believe first that what you have set in your goal is already get and achieved. You need to believe something like this. You need to change your mindset. Change your mindset to the positive thinking of what that you are already set is success and achieve, and you will get it in the future. It is the first thing that you need to do. So in the short-term goal, you need to set something is a small amount or small item that you want to get in the future. You cannot set a big one. Why I said like this? Because if you never do how to set a goal and you just do it like a bigger and bigger, so maybe it's a little bit difficult for you. Sometimes when you set it and you cannot achieve what you are set, and you feel that you are loose, you give up. So that's why we have a short term, long term, and a medium ones that we need to set. Short term is very important. Start from the small thing, small goal. Many goals that we can set is like example, you need to buy a watch for your or for other people. It's okay, depend on you. So you set to buy it. How many months that you want to buy it? 2 months or 3 months? That is short-term goal that we need to set and achieve it. So when you want to get a watch or you want to have it, you need to set it right on the paper. You have other point is you need to have a dream board that you want to achieve for your short-term goal. You cannot just thinking in your brains or can just think because it's not happen. You need to write out and especially put it on the dream board that you have. Put it on that this goal I need to get it in 3 months. After you do it, you need to find other role model for yourself. Which person they just have a dream in a short-term period and they can get it. That is very important thing that you need to do. Set it on your dream board and you just review it every day, in the mornings or in the evening or every time when you go around and you saw it, you just read it out and your eye watch to your goal that you will get it in 3 months. But I mention again that please do not set a big goal like to want buy a house or buy a car or buy a private jet. It's very big and big. You need to start from the small to the medium and to the large one. That is the step. We cannot do over it. It's very dangerous step to get and to go. So it is the short term, and after you achieve, you are set in the short term goal, you are move forward yourself to the medium goal that you want to get in your life. It has many kinds of medium goal. For example, you want to buy a car for yourself. Because nowadays you are very difficult to travel. Other country or other town in the countries, that is very difficult. so you need to buy a car. If you can say that it's the medium goal and you need to set it for a year or a little bit more than half a year, so you need to set it only like this and start write on your dream board and put it on the dream board. Only one goal for one thing, not drop many goals in the dream board, because many goals your brain, your subconscious mind cannot catch what you are really want, what you are really need, so you will cannot get those things. So the first and only one is very important for your subconscious mind to get it, to have it. They know that what you are really want, and they know that you are really need to have for your life, and you need to believe that what you are write on the dream board, you will get it in the future. It's a very important key point. Never ever don't believe. You need to believe on your dream and goal. Whether some people say that you cannot achieve it, but you yourself, you need to believe what you already set on the dream board. It's very important that we are applies to our lives. And after that, you are review it every morning, evenings, and in the midnight, and even you saw you go, you need to read out louder that you want this kind of cars, and you believe that I will get it and feel received already. That is, and when you achieve this medium goal, you can do it and you can have it. Yes, the next step you can apply for the long-term goal. Long-term goal is mean 10 years or 20 years. It can be like this, but mostly we apply only for 5 years or maximum is 10 years only, that we want to achieve something. Like in the next 5 years, I want to buy a villas or a condominiums for my family, so for myself. It's a long-term goal that you want to achieve in the next 2 or 3 years, and you need to set it to your dream board. Put it on the dream board that this kind of house or this kind of condominium that I want to have for my life in the next 3 years or the next 5 years. Because you already achieved in the short term, medium, and now you move forward to the long term goal. You cannot stay in the same size, because when you achieve one thing, you need to move it up, and after you are success, and you need to move it up. It is the law that we need to do like this. Yes, it's very important. And here is the 3 main important goals that you can set for yourself. If you are already have achieved in your short term or medium, you can apply for long term. But in the kind of 3 you never do, please let's step by step. The first thing is, you know that I always upload my video every day, and my video is talking about entertainment and education. And if you want to get more, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel here.